Welcome to Pluralsight. My name is Sean Wilkins and I am a network engineer, author, and technical editor at Infodispersion. I'm excited to welcome you to my course, Designing Cisco Enterprise Networks, Advanced Enterprise Campus Networks. This course is one of many courses that are being introduced into the Pluralsight library to cover networking design. While the network design topic generally can be thought of as rather dry to learn about, this course is structured to cover the topics at a pace that should keep the viewer's attention, while at the same time covering the topic's key points. This course specifically is targeted on campus LAN technologies, including some discussion about how they work, as well as how they can be fitted together to form a well-designed campus LAN network. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the basics of networking hierarchy, campus LAN physical technologies including cabling and connector types, campus LAN Layer 2 technologies like spanning tree and VLANs, as well as campus LAN high availability technologies like switch stacking and Cisco's Stackwise Virtual. By the end of this course, you'll have a firm base of understanding about the available Layer 1 and 2 technologies that are implemented on campus LANs. You will also have a good understanding of how many of these different technologies can be implemented together to form a well-designed network from the access through the core layers. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with basic networking functionality, including knowing the purpose and function of various common network elements, like switches, routers, and firewalls. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn about networking design with the Designing Cisco Enterprise Networks Advanced Enterprise Campus Networks course at Pluralsight.